What's up, everybody? It's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to take a close-up look at the new aFe Power Vulcan Series Cat-Back Exhaust for the brand new 2021 and up adult-sized Ford Bronco. Now, this exhaust system is a full 3-inch exhaust system with 2 separate mufflers, and it goes into 2.5-inch pipes at the rear, which then exit through twin tips that are 4-inch carbon fiber tips. Now, they make it in polished or regular black as well, but these carbon fiber tips are just going to look awesome at the tail end of our Bronco. Now, I think this system is going to control the sound of the Bronco's exhaust a little bit more than the AWE exhaust that we put on, and we'll put a separate link to that video right over here. But this one's going to keep things a little bit more toned down. The AWE exhaust that we put on my 2.7 liter is not crazy loud, but it definitely bumps the volume up pretty significantly. Now, in the 2.3 liter, we're a little bit worried that that might tend to get a little bit raspy if you make it too loud. So we're going to be installing this on a 2-door 2.3 liter Bronco for our buddy Ryan. And he's not going to want it to be crazy loud, but he does want to bump up the sound and unlock a little bit more performance from the engine, especially because we just put that aFe Scorcher GT and added 33 horsepower on his 2.3 liter Bronco. We made a separate video about that. We'll put that right here as well. Now, this exhaust system comes in at a really great price, even though it's made from top quality materials like T304 stainless steel, and of course it has carbon fiber on the tips. And it costs under $1,000, which is actually pretty competitive against the AWE system that we did as well. And it does work on either the 2-door or the 4-door Bronco just by not using that pipe on the 2-door. Now, this is going to be a simple installation. We're not going to make a separate installation video for this exhaust because it's identical to what we did on our AWE. We'll put a link to our installation guide video right here also. And if you'd like to buy the exhaust system, we'll put a link to that in the description. Now, what matters at the end of the day is we all want to hear how it sounds, so let's go and take a listen to Ryan's 2.3 liter. Now, as you're going to see from those sound recordings, the sound volume is not that much higher than the stock exhaust sound, but it does have a little bit bassier, more throaty, more aggressive sound to it. So this is the perfect exhaust for people that don't want it to be loud, but want it to sound a little bit better and unlock a little bit better flow for more performance. Now, the experience inside the car I have found to be exactly the same. You're not going to hear the exhaust a lot, but when you do, it just sounds a little bit more bassy. Now, of course, we don't yet know what this is going to sound like on the 2.7 liter V6 because it is the same exhaust that works on both vehicles. But being the bigger motor, it's gonna be a little bit louder. But again, those two mufflers in this system are working to control the sound really nicely. So expect a little bit deeper tone and not a huge increase in volume like you're gonna get from the AWE exhaust that we did. All right, hope that video was helpful. If you'd like to purchase this exhaust, we'll put a link to that right here, as well as in the description. And that'll take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll-free anytime at 833-MOTOROSO. If you'd like to see the installation guide for an exhaust system, we'll put that video right here as well. And make sure you subscribe to our channel because we've got lots more great videos coming out. Thanks for watching.